Breaking right now for Real Cards fans. I got one 2013 Topps Heritage High Number Series Baseball Factory set and one 2013 Supreme Baseball. We'll go Heritage then Supreme. Thanks for buying some spots in that. 3 spots left in our Glavin mixer. That is breaking right at 3 o'clock today. All these out here. Empty. Let's see what we got in here. Stack these up. Okay, move it over there. There we go. Give myself a little more room, and we'll get going. Rookie Allen Webster, rookie Hinjai Ryu, rookie Zach Wheeler, rookie Mike Zuniga, rookie Kristen Yelich, rookie Oswaldo Arcia, rookie Jonathan Pettibone, rookie Preston Clarebon, Luke Scott, rookie Yasiel Puig, Julio Teheran, Brooke Logan, Giambi, Kazmir, Matsus, rookie Matt McGill, rookie Bruce Rondon, rookie Nolan Arenado, rookie Pablo Hernandez, rookie Grimm, rookie Kevin Gossman, rookie Kyle Gibson, rookie Brad Miller, rookie Carlos Martinez, rookie Larry Garcia, rookie Wood, rookie Cosart. Now I'm probably going to break that just right at 3. Got a few other breaks. I don't want to mess with the times. Alejandro De Aza, rookie Jim Henderson, rookie Anthony Rendon, rookie Jose Fernandez. Good rookie class here. Rookie Alex Colon, rookie Henry Urrutia, rookie Nate Kearns, rookie Marcelo Zuna, rookie Cody Ash, rookie Aaron Hicks, Jed Jerko, rookie, he's from West Virginia, rookie Michael Waka, rookie Will Myers, rookie Jackie Bradley, rookie Marr, rookie Garrett Cole, nice player right there, rookie Nick Kingham, Kingham's for the Pirates, different guy. All right, last few cards. Rookie Nick Franklin and Tony Sigriani. Oh, that's not good. Okay, here, I'll email you after the break, and we'll take care of that for you. Okay. I'm the only one that had any damage. Let's go to 13 Supreme. Yeah, we don't like that. Well, I'll take care of you. Could have been literally any other card. See what we got in Supreme. Jonathan Lucroy, 9/35. Jonathan Lucroy, 9/35. And retired and active auto, Tayoshi Wada from 2013 Supreme Baseball. Tayoshi Wada. And Jonathan Lucroy. All right, we'll get that packed up and sent out to you. I'll send you an email. We'll make sure we give you something else for that. Thanks, man.